Hey kids, Flexing Teacher Weber here. Sorry for all the videos, but I anticipated a problem with a couple of questions from the slow skier assignment I gave you. So I'm going to quickly flip over to my whiteboard. Some of the questions on the slow skier page, you're given fractions. But what you have to remember about fractions, so I'm looking at question number 3 right now. What you have to remember about fractions is that if you have 1/2 of y, that's the same as y divided by 2. So you still solve these ones with multiplication. You do the exact same thing you would do in all the other questions. 1/2 y is the same as y divided by 2. So to solve this, you do the opposite of divide by 2, which is times by 2. And you do that up beside the numerator of the fraction. You don't do it on the denominator of the fraction, else you won't get the canceling out. You won't show the value of 1y. Now if I multiply by 2 on that side, I multiply by 2 on the other side of the equal sign, always using parentheses. And then let's see what's left. On this side of the equal sign, positive 2 and positive 2 cancel, and I'm left with my 1 and the y, right? And that's what I want to get. On the other side of the equal sign, 25 times 2 is 50. And that's 1y. And remember, 1y is the same as just y. They both mean the same thing. So the fraction questions, you do exactly the same as the ones that just show division. So another one here, I think this is number 5. It says 1/4 q equals -20. Well, 1/4 q is the same as q divided by 4. So the opposite of divide by 4 is to multiply by 4. You show that up on the numerator of the fraction with parentheses. Do the same thing to the other side, multiply by 4. Then simplify both sides of your equation. On this side, the 4 on top and the 4 on the bottom simplify, and I'm left with 1q equals -20 times 4 is -80. And remember, that's the same as q equals -80. Hopefully that gives you all the stuff you need to know to do the slow skier assignment. Do your best. It's just for practice. We'll correct it after the long weekend. Make sure you have a good Easter, and hopefully the Easter Bunny is good to you. Flexing Teacher Weber out.